Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with my Monday Walmart IBOTTA haul, guys. This week I got a mid-week money marker bonus. I think that's the name of it for $3 for doing 6 rebates. So I said, sure, I can easily do that. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna see what rebates I did. I found one clearance item. So let's jump into the haul. All right, so the first item I did was on the True Lemon Kids. This is a drink mix, guys. This is the pink lemonade. Now, my husband will actually take these in his lunchbox. They were on clearance for $1.97, no coupon, but there is a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate coming back, making the final cost only $1.22 for the True Lemon Kids pink lemonade drink mix. Next rebate I was super excited about, which was my Lysol wipes, guys, because I use Lysol wipes all the time in my house, okay? So these were priced $2.34. I decided to purchase 2 because I had a $1 insert coupon that I used. That dropped my cost in store to $3.68. There is 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA. For each one, I do believe it's a limit of 5. So that was $1 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost $2.68 for the 2 things of Lysol wipes. Now, I think that's a good deal because I'm gonna buy them anyway. Next rebate I decided to do was on the all laundry detergent. Now, the all laundry detergent was priced $2.97 in my Walmart. There was a $1.50 coupon out of the save insert from this past Sunday, July 18th. That made my cost in store be $1.47. Now, I have a $1 IBOTTA rebate, making the final cost only 47 cents for the all laundry detergent. That's a great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the U by Kotex. This is the Security Gentle on Skin. These were priced $5.47. There was actually a $2 peeling on the product, making my cost in store be $3.47. Now there's $2 coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost $1.47. I think that's a pretty good deal. Now the next rebate I decided to do was on the little argan oil. This is a little treatment mask for your hair, okay? This is the Hask argan oil from Morocco, okay? A little treatment mask. I always deep condition my hair every 2 weeks, so that's a good deal for me. It was priced $1.77, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.77 in store. 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.27. Good deal. Next rebate, I decided to get the Dove Men Plus Care. This is the 2-pack bar because my husband, you know, he likes Dove Men Plus Care, guys, all right? He has to have body wash and he has to have bar soap. If it's not this bar soap, then it needs to be a white bar soap. Perhaps Dove. Okay? He's specific. Now, the Dove Men Plus Care is $2.97. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay that in store. But there's 75 cents coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost only $2.22 for the Dove Men Plus Care. Had to get that for my love bug, okay? The next thing I got was I found my pencils, my back to school rebate for the pencils. They didn't have it at my neighborhood Walmart, so I went to the Walmart by my job. Now, they were actually a little more. They were actually priced $2.47, so that's what I had to pay in store. But IBOTTA is giving back $2.39, making them be 8 cents. I'm okay with paying 8 cents because I'm going to give them to my grandbabies anyway, okay? So, you know what's cool. Next rebate I did was on the Mrs. Freshly. This is the Reese cups. Now, my husband likes peanut butter, so I think he's going to like these. I won't. $2.86, no coupon, but there's $1 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.86. Now, my husband likes peanut butter, so I think he's gonna like these. And you know what I noticed? In the Dollar Tree, there is Mrs. Freshly products. I never heard of this brand before I did IBOTTA, guys. So did you guys know that this product is, well, excuse me, not this product, but this brand is in Dollar Tree? Let us know in the comments below if you already knew it, because I didn't know. Next rebate, I got my Frostbite again. My Frostbite Mountain Dew, $1.88 in my Walmart, no coupon, so that's what I had to pay in store. 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA, making the final cost $1.38. The next thing, guys, I had a in-crowd any lettuce rebate, okay? It's not going to be on the Google document, but I do want to share it with you guys because I ended up getting my salad because I was going to buy this anyway, which is spring mix, okay? It wasn't attaching. But the funny thing about that salad rebate, there was no way for you to scan to check to see if it was supposed to match your product, okay? So I added it to the receipt. They asked me, did I buy lettuce? And I said, yes, I did. So they gave me my quarter, okay? That's that. I was able to get my Smart Water again, guys. I told y'all I like this lemon Smart Water, and I will continue to get it. It's $1.58. Okay, there is 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA, so it's $1.08. I like to drink it while I'm at work, so I like that. Good with that. And of course, I had to get my underwear, my Alwaysies. Okay, I love these things. Reset again, had to get it, $3.97 for the 3-pack, $2 coming back from IBOTTA, final cost $1.97. And well, of course, you know that Crystal is going to get 3 packs. I must max it out, okay? Now, I did something a little different this time. My Nestle water, I told you guys, I can't find this stuff in no Walmart, okay? This is for my husband because I don't really care for any flavor except the lemon. So it's $1.48. Now, my rebate reset to where I must purchase 3, but I didn't have the $1 coupon, so I was like, I'm not doing that. For 3 packs, it's only giving you 75 cents. So I just decided to just do the 1 pack, give them the $1 coupon, and pay the 48 cents. So this will not be on the Google document as well. Next little thing I found was these little cute little water bottles, and they're plastic, but I thought it was super cute. It was only $1. I was like, yeah, so cute. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my Cricut and customize it and put coupon and crystal on there or something. I'm gonna do something, but I thought my little water bottle was cute. All right, lovely people, so that is it for this haul. I hope you were able to see my lunchtime video that I did about the Depend silhouettes, just reminding you guys that that rebate was going to expire, and it did end up being a $2.03 moneymaker for me because I had $4 coming back from Fetch, which made that an amazing deal, guys. What was the other thing I was going to tell you guys? An update about Amber's receipt for her back to school items. Still is not processing. Checked with Walmart. Walmart can reprint the receipt, but it's not going to do any good for the simple fact of the matter is it's not going to have a freaking barcode on the bottom. So that's not doing any good. IBOTTA is not very helpful in this situation, and I'm quite surprised it's souring her on the experience. So I need IBOTTA to get it together, okay? Because she wants her money, and she's not trying to be doing IBOTTA if she don't get her money back. So I'm like, oh, I hate after I've encouraged someone to use IBOTTA for them to have a bad experience, because typically I don't have a bad experience with IBOTTA. Now, I can't say that for all the rebate apps, but very few times have I had bad experiences with IBOTTA, because I was in my feelings Friday when we both scanned our receipts and mine was not going through. But like I told you guys, mine did fix itself. On Saturday morning, I was able to upload my receipt, and as you can see, I'm still using IBOTTA because my receipts are going through. So I don't know if it has something to do with the new system, the new self-checkout, because I told you guys we went to that same neighborhood Walmart Friday, and I went to it this morning, and I posted a video about that live talking about I wasn't feeling it. So not feeling it, okay? Let me clarify something. There is not a screen for coupons. There used to be a other payment method that you could actually push, and then it would give you the option of other payment methods being coupons. Okay, so that is gone. So basically, after you get the ringing your stuff up, what you got to do is start scanning your receipts. Okay, now my next thing I want to know, is it going to let you split up payment? Is it going to let you pay with different amounts? Because sometimes I may pay part with cash or pay part with my PayPal card. I mean, it just depends on what I got the money on, from the rebate app. So it is what it is, guys. Hopefully Ibotta will resolve that quite quickly, and she'll be back living her best life, taking her couponing to a whole nother level. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.